Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands on your back! Put your hands on your back!
On the 21st of June, 2025, Fond du Lac County deputies responded to reports of a vehicle driving at extreme speeds and running red lights in Rosendale, Wisconsin. A trooper soon spotted the car traveling at more than 90 miles per hour, with speeds later reaching over 100 in a residential zone. What began as a reckless driving complaint quickly escalated into a dangerous pursuit that put multiple motorists at risk.
Hands up! Get hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! You're gonna get bit with a dog! Put your
Sheriff 53, here 20.
hands up! South end. We've ran them multiple times. Get the out of the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
I didn't copy. I heard something about Ram.
He's trying to ram him. South of end.
I'm calling, Blair. Come with the TPD.
We're gonna get tased. Turn the car off. I don't care. Turn the car off. Do it now. Turn the car off. Turn the car off. He's still trying to get away. Cover me. Sheriff 53, we got the car turned off. Starting an ambulance. Look at his pacemaker's going off.
My pacemaker's going off! Oh my god!
Grab his hand.
Oh my god!
Get out of the car!
My fucking pacemaker! Oh my god! Oh, my pacemaker's going off! Oh my god, my pacemaker's going off!
Put your hands on your back!
My pacemaker!
Put your hands on your back!
My pacemaker's going off!
Now!
The pacemaker's going off! Oh my god! I'm sorry, this is not me! Somebody can control my pacemaker! Oh my god!
You alright? Blaine, are you good?
It's still my pacemaker's going off!
Check the dog. Go ahead.
Oh god!
What's your name? He changed his pacemaker's going off. Get him on the side. He didn't do that until we stopped him. Okay. Sorry, so I was going to tase him.
Ambulance, please, my pacemaker!
Yeah, it's going, yeah. Let it go, buddy.
I do have a shirt!
Congrats. That doesn't explain all this driving behavior, does it? No, probably not.
Oh,
You're gonna kill somebody, dude.
what's about all the drugs that you've been fucking... Oh my god. Report, and you'll see. Yeah, that's what you're gonna see. Oh my god.
Check your dog, boy. He's good. He tried jumping out before. Okay. What's your name?
It's not my driver's.
He's trying to go backwards on 41, so I started ramming him.
No, that's fine.
RO Stephen Juhas. I had to check his other side. His side. Steven! What are you doing today?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I was headed to church, and then something took over me.
The devil took over you?
I swear to God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah. There's something on his arm. Yeah, he's got like a patch. Probably pacemaker or something. Oh, I think his phone was in that. He threw one foot out the window.
One squad with the cage, then we'll take a second squad, self-load location just for traffic.
What is it? Yep. But he wants to set him up in the road. Yeah. It's pretty bad. Paper. All right, Steven, stand up for us. All right, buddy, we'll get you up. Yep, sit up. I'll get liners. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up and walk. Walking. Getting kicked out. Yeah, I don't care. Come on, let's go. Keep walking. Sit mal la chibi vista. Sit down.
After refusing to stop and continuing to drive erratically, the suspect's vehicle was forced into a ditch to prevent further danger. The driver, 49-year-old Stephen Juhas, was taken into custody and charged with multiple felonies. A judge later set his bond at $50,000. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen.